Hey YouTube, what's going on? Carter back at it again today. The reason why I'm wearing the same thing I wore yesterday is because I filmed these both in the same day, but if you can't tell by the title, I'm cleaning my little brother's soccer cleats. If you guys don't know, that is supposed to, besides the design on it, is supposed to be white and it's black. So this is going to be a pretty big deep clean. So let's get right into it. First, we've got to remove the shoelaces. This is my same brother that I cleaned the Kyries for. Those Nike Air Precisions were Brody's. I'll have his channel in the description, along with Rejuvenator. And there goes Jack downstairs right now. If they come in here, they're just playing cops with their Nerf guns. And there's one of them.
No, Hans, open it up! Oh.
Okay, take the insole out. Now we gotta put in the shoe tree. What size are these? 7s? Okay, so that should be like right there maybe. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's a specific way for them, so. Nope, not that one. That one's too big. I just made it even bigger. There we go. Perfect. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other one. Even how much I hate soccer, whatever I can get content off of, I'll use it. Hopefully I get the 4-ounce 3-brush kit, Rejuvenator kit for my birthday, because I am running low on Rejuvenator soap, whatever it's called. So hopefully I get that for my birthday, which isn't that far away. So if I run out in this video, I'm not going to be doing any more videos until after my birthday, unless it's a what I got for Christmas video. But I probably won't do that, because Christmas was 2 days ago, so there's really no point in it anymore. If I were to make that, I would have done that on Christmas, but I did a 2-for-1 holiday special on Christmas. Got that insole out. And here come my brothers right now. Okay, so we got it all prepped, so let's get our hot water. I'm not scared of you guys, you know.
No, Hans, open it up! Got no ammo. Quit, Brody.
There's no way.
Brody, quit. He's making a video. Are you?
Yeah.
Get Macy out of here, security.
Security! Hey!
Wait.
No, remember when he said, these are dirty? Wait, are these supposed to be all white? Remember when he said that?
Yeah, how about you shut up though? Okay, so right now, we're just gonna go to the soles. grab the microfiber towel. That cleaned up pretty fast. It's more down the heel where it's really dirty, so everything else is cleaned up. And there's a text message. More like an email. Okay, probably just that one spot right there, and then that should be good for this shoe. Yeah, right shoe sole is done, so let's set that off to the side and do the left shoe. But like I said, instead of leaving my link at the end of the video to my channel, since you guys are already watching this on my channel, I'm going to put Brody's there, but I'm still going to keep putting the latest video. But now let's get ready to do the uppers. Circular motions like always. Just gentle right now, just to see how much we can get off. A lot of that came off pretty easily, so now we're going to start hammering that, get as much off as we can. And they're coming out pretty fresh. This video might be pretty short. Now let's do the tongue of the shoe. And then just touch up the rest of this. And now we're going to try something that I've never, well, no, I'm not going to do that because I don't have the laundry detergent yet, so I can't. The right shoe is looking pretty fresh compared to that one. It looks pretty good. But the right shoe is done. Let's hang up the microfiber towel for right now. And get to work on the left shoe. And again, we're just going pretty gentle over the top just to try to loosen some of this stuff up. Then wipe that stuff off. And now we're going to start hammering it.